Hello and welcome to my channel once again, and thank you for watching all the videos what we have already shared in last couple of days. Hope you have got some value. If you want to share anything, you can share in the comment box. Whatever your questions, challenges, aspirations, goals related to the professional field, you can share with me in the comment box. I'll go through all the comments and try to reply back. And this reply back that is against your comments or via future videos, okay, that I let you know. So see what my message is. Every time I'm telling the same thing, that getting knowledge, information is very easy nowadays. Okay, how much knowledge you want, how much information you want, that depends on you, but it cannot be in a scattered way. आपको जो भी करना है फ्यूचर में, accordingly you have to decide what type of skill set you have to develop. So if you are a graduate engineer and just passing out from the college and preparing for the interview, then today I'm going to discuss about some of the topic related to that. तो आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया हो जाएगा. अब अगर आप मान लो आप मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो एंड आपको जॉब का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो फॉर any construction company I'm talking about. So how to prepare? So we are discussing this thing by using AI today, so that you can also implement by yourself and learn automatically by yourself. So that is the reason I'm telling you, everybody have a leverage to use technology and develop their skills by using AI. But thing is that reality is a little different. Okay, we know everything, but still we are not reaching some stage. We are not cracked the interview in the larger company like L&T, Shapoorji, Tata Projects, or any other MNC companies. Still, I have seen in my career many of my fellow peers, colleagues, they have an aspiration to work in a big company like L&T or Tata. Okay, that is in their dream. Okay, always they're telling me that do something for me so that I will get opportunity for these companies. But nobody can help you until unless you will come out from yourself. So आपको आगे आना पड़ेगा, then only आपको कोई help कर सकता है. तो इसके what does it mean? It means you have to show your interest, you have to take the ownership, you have to do all the necessary steps to reach there. Okay, आपको कोई लेके वहाँ पे नहीं जा सकता है, आपको ही करना पड़ेगा. You have to sustain, you have to survive. Okay, in those companies, you have to deliver. If you are not able to deliver the result, then it will be very painful. तो आपको प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, वो माइंडसेट चाहिए. ओके, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा फॉर एज अ ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर जस्ट कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम द कॉलेज. सपोज यू आर ए मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर. लेट्स सी, बिकॉज here I'm not giving my any ready-made questions and answer to you, so you will understand automatically by yourself going through this video. So let's discover this thing. So I'm going to share my screen once again. So here, okay, what came to my mind, I just put it here. Let's see. I don't know what will come. Let's see. I am a graduate mechanical engineer. I have zero experience in the HVAC field, but still I got shortlisted for an interview in a XYZ HVAC contracting company. Please help me to provide guidance how to prepare myself for the same interview so that I will deliver my full potential to crack the job with higher initial salary. That's a great opportunity, Sandeep. Getting shortlisted despite no prior HVAC experience means the Company already sees potential in your fundamentals as a mechanical engineer. Let's create a step-by-step interview preparation plan so you work in fully prepared, confident, and able to negotiate a higher salary, starting salary. Let's see what our master guiding us, our master chat GPT. Understand the interviewer's mindset, who is taking the interview. So an HVAC contracting company will look for your mechanical fundamentals. What is the mechanical fundamentals? Thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, heat transfer. So you have to go back to your textbook and recap some of these topics. Your attitude to learn quickly. Oh, in my advanced level of sessions, what I'm going to start couple of next year, where I will going to teach you how fast you can read books, textbooks, and all those things. Okay, I'll share all details about this in the later stage. So just going through this, and your understanding of HVAC basics, your awareness of site, project, work culture, and your communication and problem solving skills. Okay, they don't expect you to be an expert. They expect you to be a trainable, curious, and confident. So here the point you have to remember. You should be a learner. You have to showing your learning abilities always in front of the interviewer. You should be curious and confident. Number two is the core HVAC knowledge to master in 7 days. So how fast at least you should know about what is HVAC, at least full form of the HVAC, and what are the systems coming under HVAC system, just a overview. So even as a fresher, you must sound familiar with the language of the trade. So you can go through quickly to learn these topics first. HVAC definition and purpose. So focus point is what HVAC stands for, why it is essential in building, refrigeration cycle, okay, VCRS, so evaporator, compressor, condenser, and expansion valve, function and sequence. There is a basic funda about the HVAC system you must know. Maybe you have gone through these systems or evaporator, what is evaporator, what is compressor, what is condenser, expansion valve. Maybe it was there in your textbook, but even though the refrigeration cycle also may be there, but if you don't know anything about that, it is okay. Just search, play with the chat GPT, and you will find heat load calculation basics. The heat load, how to calculate these things, concept of the sensible and the latent heat, tonnages of refrigeration, air conditioning types, so whether it is window type, split type, ductable, package, VRF or VRV system, and where each is used, air distribution system, duct, diffuser, damper, HU, FCU, function and placement, chilled water supply, chiller, cooling tower, pumps, HU, and flow sequence, control and automation, thermostat, BMS, basics, common site material, the duct type, GI or PI, insulation, copper piping, bulbs, fittings, etc. What is your goal right now? Be able to explain conceptually how air conditioning works in an office. Or number three is brush up mechanical fundamentals. So go the basics, go to your textbook and revise these topics because HVAC is built on them. That is one number. The number one is the thermodynamics laws, especially first and the second law. Heat transfer, conduction, convection, and the radiation. Psychometric chart, dry bulb, wet bulb, RH, dew point. Fluid mechanics, basics, basic electrical awareness. Number four is prepare smart answers for common questions. So these are some of the sample questions. What is the difference between comfort and process air conditioning? Just prepare by yourself, asking these questions to these AI tools, you will get the answer and accordingly you prepare yourself. Explain how an air conditioner removes humidity. What is the difference between VRF and the chiller system? How do you calculate tier for a room? Why do we need fresh air in HVAC system? So you can search some more questions, okay, and get the answer and prepare yourself. Because see, I will not able to tell you what will come in your, what questions interviewer actually will ask you. Okay, there is nobody can predict, right? Even though when you are going for a examination hall, what you did in your career during the academic sessions, you have prepared all the textbooks, all the questionnaires you have solved, okay, and then you go for the examinations, and most of the questions is coming under from your preparations. So same things happening in your entire life. You have to be prepared, you have to be evolved, you have to be, and what type of preparation is required based on your what results, what output you are asking. Okay, तो सामने वाला क्या क्वेश्चन करेगा, okay, you don't know what is there in his mind, but at least आपको अगर प्रिपरेशन रहेगा प्रॉपर, देन आप कोई भी आंसर कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल सकते हो. Now HR also asking after technical part, then HR also will come in the picture. So what type of HR questions? Here ChatGPT is giving you that why do you want to join the HVAC industry? You have no experience, how will you manage on site? What is your career goal in 5 years? Tell me about a challenge you overcame during your college project. Now, tip, frame your answer around learning attitude, logical thinking, and the discipline. Because like you don't know about the HVAC industry, but you can find it from Google, from your anyone, any professionals, maybe you know, okay, you can ask them also directly. If they're already there in this particular field, they will guide you. Free version also is, you will get enough data. Okay, although what I'm showing to you through my subscription ChatGPT 5, but you will get free version. I mean, you will get many data related to this and any other topic in the free version also. So that is not an issue. So whatever questions, what type of question you need to ask, you have a understand from this particular topic what I'm showing to you. You can ask questions, give me some 10 questionnaires for preparation of this kind of interview. So it will give you the 10 questions or 20 questions, and you can ask for the answer also, getting that, and accordingly you will get the answer also. The number 5 is develop a strong elevator pitch. What is elevator pitch? It should be crisp and simple, and the other person easily identify you, who is the person, you. Suppose an elevator speech means, suppose you are passing through elevator, and someone asking a question, who are you, what you are doing, and because in elevator you have a very short time, maybe within 30 seconds or the 10 seconds, you have to explain yourself who you are, because the person will going out shortly. So that is the concept for the elevator pitch. So here what examples it is giving, let's read out. I am a mechanical engineer graduate with strong fundamental in thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. Although I am new to HVAC, I have been studying the fundamentals of air conditioning and building services. I am genuinely passionate about energy efficient system, and I am confident I can learn first and contribute to site execution and design coordination. My goal is to grow in a project engineer who delivers quality HVAC installation. It can be as per your understanding, you can prepare by yourself. Number 6, learn about the company. So where you are going to interview, before that you can visit the websites, their website, or go through the Google or the ChatGPT. Also maybe have some data about that particular company. So visit their website, note their major projects, learn what type of clients they serve, residential, commercial, industrial, and read recent news or case studies if have available. If possible, Check their LinkedIn page to know the leadership and the company culture. So who is the MD and the bottom line? Okay. Maybe some data you will get from LinkedIn also, from even if you ask the HR person who is the panelist for the interview, they sometimes tell you the name also. Okay, accordingly you can search and prepare. This shows serious intent, which impress interviewers immediately. And number 7 is the dress, body language, and communication. You know all those things. Okay, so formal shirt, trouser. I'm not going through in details about this all the data. So just go through and read out. Maintain the good posture, eye contact, and speak slowly and clearly, and carry printed resumes. So all those basic things you have to follow. But these are the most important things. Okay, these are the development is required. The self-development, the attitude, the confidence that you need to show. Okay, so for that reason you need practice. If you don't have a practice, then you have to wait for my special sessions where I'm going to start, where there will be handholding support will be there, so that you can prepare quickly, maybe within 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, and you will be ready to crack any type of interview for any type of toughest or biggest company in the world. Salary negotiation strategy. What is the strategy? Because you're a fresher, you don't know about what is the salary structure in the industry for that particular role. Okay, so as a fresher, salary depends on knowledge, clarity, confidence, and your communication. If you perform well technically, say confidently, I'm looking for a role that values performance and learning. Based on my research about HVAC industry standards and my technical foundations, I believe a starting package around XYZ per annum will be fair. Lakhs, or you can mention that okay, 3.5 to 4 lakhs per annum if the company is mid-size, if the company is large. So it is given the example. You need to research through Google or somebody else from your, if any persons already working there, if you know. So that in many way you can find out what is the trend is going on for that particular company for a freshers engineers salary point of view. You can get it. The practice mini mock-up interviews. Maybe you can practice with your friends, with your parents. Okay, if you are doing everything by yourself, then you need to take help from your friends, colleagues, not colleagues, parents of any family members. Okay, to explain the refrigerator cycle, tell them confidently. Doing a mock-up interview, this and difference between the HU and FCU. Now, what is HU? What is FCU? What is refrigeration cycle? Okay, all those you can find from the Google or from ChatGPT. Why should we hire you? Okay, that you will not get. Okay, but the similar type of questions, definitely someone ask, some company will ask, and someone given the answer. So you can search these questions also. So you will get some idea what type of answer you can prepare for that. Then rewatch and improve your tone and structure. Okay, these are the things. Bonus resources, what ChatGPT is suggesting, that YouTube channel, HVAC Simplified, Larson and Toubro MEP, Macquarie Engineering, books, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning by CP Aurora, HVAC Fundamentals by Samuel Sugarman, website, asre.org for industry standards, engineeringtoolbox.com for formals. So many data you are getting right now. Okay, so I'll just close it. So if you're a fresher engineer, a mechanical engineer, so it's a good lesson for you to prepare for the next level interview. But as I told you, data is there. What you have to do, you have to show up your interest and practice it. Crack the interview. So it's very simple. Someone asked me a questions related to that in the comment, so that I thought, why not I prepare a video and share to everybody, so that everybody will be beneficial if you're a fresher. See what the data is showing. Just you need to be understand what is going on in the market. In India, we have more than 15 lakhs engineers passing out every year. And out of 15 lakhs, how many people are getting a job by a campus interview? You know, that is hardly 10%. So 90%, maybe uh, some of the engineers also getting job via some channels, some consultant or some other sources, friends, relatives and all. Maybe I'm taking another 10%. So then also 20% people are getting jobs. So 80%. So they're suffering to get a job after maybe doing some struggle. They're getting also job in the market. But thing is that if you, after just college, immediately if you prepare yourself, if you are working, if you want to work in the construction industry, see, there is two industry is growing rapidly. There is one is the IT and the construction industry. Because our country, India, I'm talking about in terms of India, we are developing country. We are not developed country yet. So we'll take another 50 years or maybe 100 years. That depends on how much years is required to become like a Japan or US or something, some developed country. Okay. So we are not saturated yet. We're developing rapidly, and there is a lots of opportunities. Okay. There is a more than 3.5 crore professionals are working in the construction industry in India. So it's a huge industry, and there is a huge opportunity are available. So much of money is available. You can get, you can enjoy your life, but you need to be a right mindset to get all those things, and right preparation is required for that. Okay, many more things I will bring you, and I'll discuss with you by my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Share to your friends also this video, so that they are also getting knowledge. They are also prepare themselves. It is not for you. See, there is so much abundance is there in the universe. So it is not key. Okay, I am watching this video, I get some knowledge, I stick on that only, I only know this. It is not like that. You can share. आप जितना share करोगे उतना आपका knowledge बढ़ेगा. So that's it for today, and see you again. Bye. Thank you.